Hi, I'm Emma. Today's English is slow and easy. Just relax and listen along. Have you ever stepped into a busy coffee shop, heard the hiss of milk steamers and the buzz of a lunchtime crowd, and worried you might not catch what the barista just said? Today Hannah, fresh from picking up her brand new glasses at Warby Parker, stops by Blue Bottle Coffee in Chelsea, Manhattan, one of America's most beloved specialty coffee brands, famous for its carefully roasted single-origin beans, simple blue and white cups, and slow, thoughtful pour-over coffee. And here's the magic part. Today Hannah uses one simple phrase to check if a small change is okay. Is it okay if? You can use this exact phrase at Blue Bottle Coffee, or really anywhere you want to check before doing something a little different. So settle in, relax your shoulders, and let's step inside with Hannah. Alright. Today Hannah has 3 simple missions. 1. Order a latte exactly the way she wants it to. Make sure her order comes out right, even with the noisy machines. 3. Add a little personal touch before she heads out when you're customizing an order, double-checking a small detail, or asking for a little extra. One simple, polite phrase can carry you through the whole visit, from hi there to thank you. By the end of this video, you'll be able to ask for a small change, politely ask someone to repeat themselves, and ask for a little something extra, all in simple, natural English. Ready? Let's step inside Blue Bottle Coffee. Here are today's 5 key phrases for ordering at Blue Bottle Coffee. Repeat each one after me. Nice and slow. Key phrase 1. Is it okay if I order a latte with oat milk instead of regular milk? Is it okay if I order a latte with oat milk instead of regular milk? This is today's magic phrase. Notice how short and direct it is. Is it okay if? Jump straight to a simple yes or no question, which makes it perfect for small, quick changes, like swapping one ingredient for another, when you don't need a long explanation, just a fast, friendly check. Key phrase 2. Could I get that in a medium, to stay? Could I get that in a medium, to stay? A simple, natural way to specify the size and whether you're staying or going. Key phrase 3. Could you say that again, a little slower? Could you say that again, a little slower? A friendly, judgment-free way to ask for a repeat when it's noisy or you missed something. Key phrase 4. Would you mind double-checking that's oat milk, not regular? Would you mind double-checking that's oat milk, not regular? A gentle way to ask someone to confirm a detail without sounding like you're accusing them of a mistake. Key phrase 5. Do you think I could get an extra shot of espresso in that? Do you think I could get an extra shot of espresso in that? A soft, easygoing way to ask for a little extra, on top of your main order. Great job! Now let's watch Hannah use them at Blue Bottle Coffee. Hannah walks into the airy, minimalist Blue Bottle Coffee Cafe in Chelsea, its pale wood counters and simple blue and white cups catching the afternoon light. Behind the espresso machine, moving quickly between 3 orders at once but flashing a warm smile every time he looks up, is Diego. A Blue Bottle Coffee barista in his 30s with his sleeves rolled up and a notepad tucked in his apron.
Hi there. Is it okay if I order a latte with oat milk instead of regular milk?
Of course. That's an easy swap. 1 latte, oat milk. Anything else?
Could I get that in a medium, to stay? I think I'll sit for a bit.
Medium, for here, oat milk latte. Coming right up. Give me just a couple minutes. We're a little slammed today.
No rush at all. Take your time.
Appreciate that. Blue Bottle Coffee days like this keep me on my toes, but I love it.
It's worth the wait. This place is beautiful.
Right? We roast our beans just a few days before they hit the shop. Freshest cup in Chelsea, I promise you that.
Nicely done, Hannah. She opened with, "Is it okay if I order a latte with oat milk instead of regular milk?" Notice how short and direct this one is. Is it okay if? Jump straight to a simple yes or no question, which makes it perfect for small, quick changes, like swapping one ingredient for another. No long build-up needed, just a friendly check first, and Diego was happy to say yes. This kind of quick, polite check works anywhere you need a small yes before moving forward. Nice and easy. At the pickup counter, carefully watching a senior barista for cues while the milk steamer hisses loudly beside him, is Ethan. A new blue bottle coffee trainee in his early 20s, his name tag slightly crooked, double-checking every step he takes.
Excuse me, I just want to check. Did that come out with oat milk?
One moment. Sorry, this steamer is really loud today.
Could you say that again, a little slower? It's pretty hard to hear over the machines.
Sorry. I said. I think this one's regular milk, not oat. Let me check the ticket.
Would you mind double-checking? I ordered oat milk a few minutes ago.
You're right. This one's a mix-up, it's for someone else. Yours is right here. Oat milk, medium. Sorry about that.
No worries at all. Thank you for checking.
First week. I'm getting there.
You're doing great.
Look how calmly Hannah handled a little mix-up. When the noisy steamer made it hard to hear, she didn't get frustrated. She simply said, "Could you say that again, a little slower?" This phrase is friendly and completely judgment-free. It just asks for a repeat, nice and clear. Then she followed up with, "Would you mind double-checking?" Another gentle way to make sure everything is right without sounding pushy. Even in a loud, busy coffee shop, a calm, polite question can fix almost anything in under a minute. Near the far end of the counter, pouring latte art with practiced ease while chatting nonstop, is Marcus. A talkative blue bottle coffee barista in his late 20s who loves telling customers about the beans, wearing a canvas apron dusted with flour from the pastry case.
That's beautiful. Do you think I could get an extra shot of espresso in that?
Absolutely, extra shot coming right up. You know, this blend's actually from a small farm in Ethiopia. We started carrying it last spring. It's got this bright, almost blueberry kind of note.
I can definitely taste something fruity in my last cup.
Right? Honestly, my favorite thing about working at Blue Bottle Coffee is getting to talk beans all day. Anyway, would you mind if I wrote your name on the cup? Company policy keeps the orders straight.
Sure, it's Hannah. Hannah.
Got it. Oh, and check out this little leaf design. Picked it up at a barista competition last year, took me months to get it right.
That's incredible, thank you.
Enjoy your Blue Bottle Coffee, Hannah. Come back soon.
Wonderful. Hannah got exactly the latte she wanted from Diego, calmly cleared up a mix-up with Ethan, and enjoyed a little coffee shop conversation, and an extra shot, from Marcus. All with calm, friendly English. At the pickup counter she used, "Could you say that again, a little slower?" to sort out the noisy mix-up, and "Would you mind double-checking?" to make sure everything was right. But the biggest phrase of the day was still our magic one, "Is it okay if?" A quick, friendly check plus a helpful team equals a smooth, satisfying stop at any Blue Bottle Coffee location in America. Okay. Now it is quiz time. Quiz time. The trainee just handed Hannah a latte made with regular milk, but she ordered oat milk. Before he starts the next drink, what should Hannah say next? A. Is it okay if I switch this to oat milk instead? B. You have to remake it right now. See, it's fine, never mind. Try writing your answer. A, B, or C, or the whole phrase in the comments below. Writing it down helps your brain remember it 100 times better than reading. I read every single comment and I will reply to let you know if you got it right. Amazing work today, everyone. Now you have 5 friendly phrases that will help you order exactly what you want, anywhere at all. Is it okay if I order a latte with oat milk instead of regular milk? Could I get that in a medium, to stay? Could you say that again, a little slower? Would you mind double-checking that's oat milk, not regular? Do you think I could get an extra shot of espresso in that? With these 5 phrases, even a busy coffee shop feels calm and simple. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe to Easy English with Emma. It truly makes my day. Next time, Hannah wanders into MoMA, the Museum of Modern Art, learning all the English you need for a relaxed afternoon looking at art in New York City. See you next time. Bye-bye.